American Engineering Design is a Florida-based construction and engineering firm with over 30 years of experience in infrastructure rehabilitation, structural inspections and assessments, flood resiliency, and construction support services. Our work spans the evaluation of aging structures, management of complex rehabilitation projects, and rapid response engineering across South Florida. With in-house professional engineering, special inspection capabilities, and deep familiarity with local environmental conditions, we are well positioned to support restoration, coastal resiliency, and regional infrastructure improvement projects. Who we are: Florida professional engineering firm run by Bernardo Koifman, PE, CGC. He's the founder and president of American Engineering Design, bringing more than 35 years of experience in engineering, construction management, inspections, and infrastructure rehabilitation throughout Florida. He has led multidisciplinary teams providing structural engineering, construction engineering and inspection, building assessments, concrete restoration, threshold inspections, code compliance, emergency stabilization of structure after fires, and construction management services for private clients. His experience includes commercial, institutional, residential, municipal, and federal projects with expertise in aging infrastructure, resiliency, rehabilitation, and quality assurance. Prior to founding his company, Mr. Koifman served as a structural engineer and threshold inspector on major South Florida projects, including the Miami Beach Convention Center, where he was responsible for structural inspections, shop drawing review, quality control, and construction oversight. Education: Master of Science in Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management, University of Michigan. Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, University of Miami. Bachelor of Science in Architectural Engineering, University of Miami. Certified General Contractor experience, Special Inspector, Existing Threshold Buildings, Small Business, Miami-based rapid deployment throughout Florida. We understand South Florida soils, especially percolation and foundations, coastal construction, spoil repairs, flooding and resiliency, new flooding level, inspection and quality control, existing infrastructure rehabilitation, construction sequencing in occupied facilities. Core services: construction engineering and inspection, resident engineering support, construction observation, structural assessments, special inspections, contractor coordination, infrastructure rehabilitation, concrete restoration, marine and waterfront structures, bridges and retaining structures, flood protection systems, water control structures, emergency response, unsafe structures, shoring design, temporary stabilization, post-storm assessments, restoration relevant experience, concrete deterioration assessment, corrosion investigations, foundation evaluations, drainage evaluation, parking lot design including French drains, flood proofing assessments, coastal environment experience, life cycle asset management. South Florida Resiliency expertise. Highlights: ASCE 24 flood resistant design, FEMA floodplain requirements, sea level rise adaptation, stormwater management, coastal construction, hurricane recovery, specialized niche services, existing condition documentation, structural forensic investigations, drone inspections, thermography, building envelope evaluations, threshold building inspections, safety to occupy evaluations.